So we begin by coming to the back of the mat, and if you need to pad under the knees, take your blanket and place it at the back of the mat under the knees. In this sequence, Ian is doing the slightly more advanced version, and I'll be doing the beginner's version of the poses. So I'm starting standing on the knees, Ian is starting sitting on the heels. So we inhale, bring the arms up over the head, coming up off the heels if you're sitting on the heels. Exhaling, and the hands come in front of you, a little way in front. We exhale, down to the floor, inhale, coming up into Cobra. Exhale, we come back to Child's Pose. Inhaling, we're tucking the toes under and we're coming into Downward Dog.
This is not
so
about becoming
if it pulls too
superhuman.
much on the hamstrings,
This is
you can
about
slightly bend the knees,
realizing that being human
spreading
is
the
super.
fingers, pressing the fingers into the floor, squeezing the shoulder blades together. Inhale, bring the knees back to the floor. Exhale, coming back to Child's Pose. Inhale, as we stand on the knees, bring the arms up over the head, looking up if that's comfortable. And on an exhale, if you're coming back to the bottom on the heels, coming all the way down. If not, just bring the arms down by the side. We're inhaling, arms come up. So standing on the knees, if you're not already. Exhaling, arms come down to the mat in front of you. And we exhale as we come down for a little Cobra or Sphinx with the forearms on the floor if that's not comfortable. Exhale, Child's Pose. Inhaling to the hands and knees. Exhaling, tuck the toes for Downward Dog. Making any adjustments, so bending the knees if you need to, if it's pulling on the hamstrings. Inhale, bring the knees to the floor. Exhaling for Child's Pose. Knees wide or together, whatever feels comfortable for you. Inhale, standing on the knees, bring the arms up over the head. Exhaling, you're either bringing just the arms back to the sides, or you're coming down, sitting on the heels with the arms down by the side. It's a lot harder work when you're coming off the heels. Inhale, arms up over the head. Exhale, hands come in front of you. We'll keep exhaling as we come down to the floor. Inhale for Cobra. Keeping the breath soft. Exhale, Child's Pose. Breath is soft, body is soft. Inhale, hands and knees. Exhale, tucking the toes for Downward Dog. Keeping the knees bent if you need to. Inhale, knees to the floor. Exhaling for Child's Pose. Having a rest. Breathing. Soft. Inhale, stand on the knees. If you need to adjust the knees, bring them close together, that's fine. Arms come up over the head. Exhale, either just bringing the arms down by the side or lowering down onto the heels. Inhaling, keep it going if you can. Exhale. Hands in front, exhale down to the floor. Inhale for Cobra or Sphinx. Exhale, Child's Pose. Inhaling, hands and knees. Exhale, tuck the toes for Downward Dog. Making any adjustments if you need to. Inhale, knees to the floor. Exhaling for Child's Pose. Find a smile. Inhale, stand on the knees, strong arms. When I say strong, I don't mean tense. Exhale. Either bring the arms back by the sides or coming down to sit on the heels. Inhale. So we're taking it more into a flow with the breath. Exhale, hands to the floor, coming all the way down. Inhale for cobra. Using your breath. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, hands and knees. Tuck the toes. Exhaling for downward dog. So you're using the ebb and flow of your breath. Inhale, hands and knees. Exhale, child's pose. Riding the wave of your breath. Inhale, standing on the knees, arms come up over the head. Exhaling, either just bring the arms down or coming back to sit on the heels. Work those thigh muscles. Inhale, coming up, arms over the head. Exhale. So we're flowing. Exhale, down, inhale, cobra. Exhale for child's pose. So it becomes a moving meditation, using the breath, synchronizing the movement with the breath. We're going to exhale, tuck the toes for downward dog. Inhaling, knees back to the floor. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, standing on those knees, strong. Really big inhale as you bring those arms up. And the arms are light and fluffy. Fluffy arms. Inhale. Standing on the knees, arms up over the head. Exhale. Arms come to the floor. Inhale for cobra. Or sphinx. That's sphinx just there. Exhale. Child's pose. Not sure what Ian's doing. Exhaling for downward dog. Inhale, knees to the floor. Exhale for child's pose. Inhale, standing on the knees. Exhale, coming back down to the heels or just bringing the arms down. Inhale, so we're flowing. The movement is flowing, the breath is flowing. Exhaling, hands in front, coming all the way down and inhaling for cobra. Or sphinx. That's sphinx again. Exhale, child's pose. Inhaling. Exhale, downward dog. Check your pose. Inhale, knees to the floor. Exhale, child's pose. So here in child's pose, you can rest the head on the folded arms if you can't bring the head to the floor. Inhale, all the way up with the arms, standing on the knees. Exhale. Back to the start. Inhale. Arms up over the head. Exhale. Hands to the floor in front. Come down. Inhale. Cobra. Or sphinx. Exhale. Child's pose. Inhale. Tuck in the toes for downward dog. Knees bent if you need to. Check your pose. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, standing on the knees. Moving with your breath. Body is soft, the breath is soft. Inhale. Arms up over the head. Exhale. All the way down. Inhale for cobra. So if you've already got this, don't listen to me. That's what I always say. If you've got the flow, just go with it. We're inhaling. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, knees to the floor. Exhale, child's pose. Inhale, standing on the knees, arms up over the head. Exhale. Bring the hands to prayer, either sitting on the heels or standing on the knees. And breathe.